Hello friends! Welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory!
Hello friends! Today we are learning city vehicles. City vehicles help us move around and keep our city clean. Let's see them. Taxi. A taxi carries people from one place to another. Bus. A bus carries many people at the same time. Garbage truck. A garbage truck collects trash and keeps the city clean. Delivery truck. A delivery truck brings packages to homes and shops. Street sweeper. A street sweeper cleans the streets and makes the city tidy. What did we learn today? Taxi, bus, garbage truck, delivery truck, street sweeper. Great job, friends!
Learning is fun! Thank you for watching! See you again at Mom and Me Fun Factory!